What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best Steam Mops in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. If you want to save money and still get a product of more than decent quality, we say look no further than the Shark Steam Pocket Mop, also known as the best budget steam mop on the market in 2022. This model allows you to eliminate bacteria and germs from the floor in an instant at a more than reasonable price. Lightweight and convenient, this product is easy to use and takes up little space in your home. Its power is 1,550 watts, and one thing is for sure, steam floor cleaning takes your cleaning to a whole new level. Not only will it remove scales and permanent stains, but the steam cloth will also disinfect hardwood tiles and floors. One of the best things about the Shark Steam Mop is that it halves the cleaning time by eliminating scrubbing and splashing, no matter how dirty your floors are in the beginning. Using only water, the Shark Mop starts to steam it in just 30 seconds, easily cleaning up dirt, pet debris, and stains. And because the steam is hot, it'll disinfect up to 99.9% of the remaining bacteria on hard floor surfaces, such as laminate and stone tiles, without harmful chemicals. The thick microfiber pads that come with this model are double-sided, which allows you to turn them over and continue cooking on steam when one side is dirty. The design of the seams and fiber materials pulls mud and dirt off the floors and blocks them instead of just pushing them away. Microfiber cloths can be machine washed. The mop comes with various accessories that allow you to handle many different cleanings. When you're done, just put the pad in the wash. Customers love the fact that the steam floor appliance works with an 18-foot power cord that quickly releases for uninterrupted cleaning. It also has a comfortable handle to hold and weighs just under 5 pounds, so even users suffering from arthritis can enjoy the cleaning process. As for the disadvantages, according to some users, the tank is a bit small. All in all, for the listed price, we're thoroughly impressed. If you're looking for a product that will provide you with an excellent price-quality ratio, we especially single out PurSteam 10-in-1, the best value steam mop available on the market in 2022. We are looking at an extremely light and economical device that has many accessories and functions. The compact water tank is easy to fill and produces steam for disinfection in just 30 seconds. The convertible nature of PurSteam 10-in-1 allows users to handle much more than the floor surface. Joints can be easily washed, and you can also wash your windows and any type of kitchen or bathroom tiles. The mop head covers a large area, and the portable unit can tackle sand and dirt, along with the molding, cracks in the stairs, and narrow corners. Depending on the activity, there are 3 steam settings that can be used to control steam delivery. You can use less steam for moisture-sensitive surfaces, such as laminate and wood, but you may need more steam for grease and dirt than plaster. According to some users, a full water tank should produce about 25 minutes at the lowest settings, while during standard cleaning, it's about 15 minutes. Some customers point out that they have received excellent customer service when applied for a warranty or requested a replacement part. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop comes with 2 reusable cloths that can be washed. Additional pads are available for purchase. The product also includes a variety of tools, such as nylon brushes, window cleaners, reel spouts, and more. According to the manufacturer, standard water can be used without any additional treatment. Because it is so light, PurSteam can be used as a steam mop for pets. Only pet owners will understand how important it is to have a clean cloth that is easy to use several times a day. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. If you have furry friends, the following product on our list of reviews is the perfect option for you. Meet the Bissell PowerFresh Liftoff, which deservedly won the title of the best pet steam mop on the market in 2022. If you want a steam mop that you can apply to much more than just sealed floors, the Bissell PowerFresh Liftoff Steam Mop is as versatile as it can be. As the name implies, it contains a cleaning agent that can be used with more than a dozen accessories, including an eraser, a fabric steamer, a joint cleaner, and detail brushes for deep cleaning of just about anything. Like the original Bissell PowerFresh, this one comes with a built-in washer for heavier stains and fresh-scented cleaning fragrance discs. Microfiber cleaning pads are washable, and the device sports a longer 25-foot power cord. It heats up in less than 30 seconds, but is also slightly heavier than many comparable 10-pound models. Homeowners like to be able to use their Steam Mop on more than one floor, and this model is ideal for such an approach. Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is designed with a special technology for tackling heavy stains such as grease, pet stains, ink, chocolate, coffee, mud, food stains, and dirt. Additionally, it comes with 13 tools such as Easy Scrubber, scented discs that'll make it easier to clean your floors, and more. Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop will help you remove as much as 99.9% of various bacteria and germs thanks to its 1500-watt power. Also included in the package is a water cup that you can easily attach or remove. The Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop comes in orange and has the size of 13.2 by 11.14 by 44.7 inches, while it weighs 10.43 pounds. Also, you can choose between low or high steam and thus fully adapt the product to your current needs. There is also a tool for cleaning windows and other glass surfaces, which users especially liked. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. And now we present you with the silver medal and the title of the runner-up Best Steam Mop available on the market in 2022. And the award goes to the Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System Pocket Steam Mop. The Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaner will solve your everyday problems. The 350 milliliter tank with integrated boiler elements is the first and most important feature. Simply fill the tank with distilled water and then reconnect it to the appliance. Wait for the tank to boil for about 2 to 3 minutes before turning it on. Since your tank is small, you don't have to wait for the pressure to increase to clean your floors. The device also has 3 adjustable steam controls that allow you to set up the water used for each cleaning session. According to the manufacturer, this model can clean up to 1,000 square feet with just one tank. Double-sided dust pads are used, which is a smart solution for lifting hard floors without the possibility of damaging or scratching them. If one side of your pad is stained with grease or dirt, raise it and then lower it again, making sure the clean side is facing down. This folding system ensures that your fingers and hands are not in direct contact with the dirty surface. The device includes 2 washable double-sided pads. The contactless pad ejection system is another smart feature here. You can easily remove the double-sided microfiber pad on the head of the cloth with a simple touch. The Genius Mop head is what sets the device apart from many other steam mops. The attachment has grooves on the inside that allow steam to flow through the microfiber substrate at a constant rate. This heats it up to melt and cut solid layers of grease and dirt. This model consists of 3 parts: a handle with steam control buttons, and the main body containing the tank, boiler element, and Genius Mop head. Connect until you hear a click and you're ready to wipe any type of hard floor. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Thanks to the excellent price-quality ratio, as well as great performance, we can freely conclude that the Bissell PowerFresh Slim Steam Mop is the best overall steam mop available on the market in 2022. This model is ideal if you have different cleaning surfaces, both indoor and outdoor. Bissell PowerFresh Slim Steam Mop has a flat tool, brush, steam for clothes, nozzle, extension hose, vent sprayer, funnel, and measuring cup. You can steam your clothes and steam the carpet while using the same unit. Plus, the Bissell PowerFresh Slim Steam Mop only works with water, so you no longer have to use chemicals to get the desired results. On top of that, you get up to 20 minutes of high-power steam, which makes cleaning much easier. Simply using water, this model destroys 99.9% of harmful microorganisms from almost any surface of fabric. This 3-in-1 system mop can clean your floors, counters, bathrooms, toys, and clothes. The swivel head of the cloth allows you to reach narrow places, such as the area around the toilet. You can use the trigger on demand to control the flow of steam and have a variety of tools for cleaning joints, scraping, and wiping. This steam cleaner can be used as an upright cloth to clean any type of sealed floor, such as ceramic tile or hardwood. Bissell also included a soft wipe pad and a scrub head to maximize the cleaning power of the steam cloth. The wiping head is thin and can be placed under tables, between lamps, or in narrow spaces. The rod can be removed to make the mop a manual steam cleaner. The onboard storage space gives you quick access to several finishing tools while cleaning your portable steamer. There are 7 add-ons that can be used in manual mode. The grouting tool restores shiny tiles, walls, and showers by removing dirt and grime, while a flat scraper removes stuck food from appliances, worktops, and tables. The tool at an angle can cause small cracks, while the tool for a flat surface will quickly clean hard surfaces. You can also use a clothes steamer to clean the sofa or crumple clothes. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.